Monitoring your blood pressure at home is crucial for managing your health, and an Apple Watch can be a valuable tool in doing just that. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That is where my newsletter is free. Now, while Apple Watch itself can't measure blood pressure directly, it can work with compatible devices to help you track your readings. To get started, you're going to need to pair your Apple Watch with a wireless blood pressure monitor. There are several options available that connect seamlessly to your watch and the Health app. Once you've set up your device, taking a reading is simple. Just open the corresponding app on your watch, secure the blood pressure cuff on your arm, and tap Start. The monitor is going to inflate, take your reading, and send the data directly to your Apple Watch. Your watch will display your systolic and diastolic numbers, and you can easily track your measurements over time. Some apps even provide alerts if your readings are outside the normal range, and by regularly checking your blood pressure with your Apple Watch and a compatible monitor, you can spot trends, identify potential issues early, and have a lot more informed discussions with your healthcare provider. Remember, while this technology is helpful, it does not replace professional medical advice, and you should always consult with your doctor about your blood pressure if you have any concerns. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, it's really easy to get it. Click the red button and get instant access for free.